Hey there, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can reset your Tradingview's password. In order to reset a Tradingview's password, first of all, check your internet connection. Go ahead and open up your Tradingview app. Once you open up your application, it's going to direct you to the official webpage. Over here, click on the menu icon located in the bottom right corner. After that, click on the sign in button. As soon as you click on the sign in button, here you need to select the method of signing in. Type in whatever the procedure it was. So click on I forgot or can't sign in. After that, it's going to direct you to the official webpage. So over here, you need to enter in the email address associated with your Tradingview account. Also make sure to mark on I'm not a robot and click on the search button. So for the confirmation, you might be asked to solve certain kind of puzzle. So now you'll be asked how do you want to reset your password. So over here, you need to select whether you have the access of this particular email address or not. If you already have an access, then click on the send button, which means that a link will be sent to your registered email. All you have to do is now open up your Gmail. As you can see right on top, there is the password. So click on it. Now you need to reset your password. Tap on the reset password button. Over here you get to recreate a new password. So type in a strong password according to the mentioned criteria below. After you're done entering the password, click on the save button. As you can see that the password has been successfully changed. Now go to continue with Tradingview over here. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So in this way, you can reset your password on Tradingview. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.